Got some parts all prepped up, ready to go. Just got to shoot them down with a little acetone, and I got in this spray bottle. And then get some epoxy on them, some color, candy, and clear. I don't know if you'll see much. Going to put you in the holder. Might just have to do little shots of what's going on in between. Okay, I got my epoxy mixed up and in the minigun, and I lay down a couple coats, and I'll turn you back on. Okay, I got my 2 coats of epoxy on the starter and the lower cowl, and sprayed around the edge here where I had a little cut through, and there's a little body work spot up on top of the tank. Just now I gotta close up the gas cap hole, and we'll shoot some silver base. Okay, the epoxy's all cured up. I'm gonna spray some silver metallic down before I put the candy on. This is a nice coarse Nissan silver. I'm gonna shoot it through this 1.4 mil. I can't tell you what make this is. I got it on the cheap for like 35 bucks, but it sprays pretty good, so I'm going with that. Okay, got my first coat of silver base down. Looks pretty good. There's some scratches in here. Hopefully get the next coat on a little wetter, and fill some of them up a little bit. Otherwise, they're likely going to show up in the candy and clear. But I'm not a professional. Okay, I got my second coat of silver base down. Came up pretty good. Some little bits of dust in it. Not too bad. Okay, base coat's all cured up, ready to go. I'm going to spray the green candy with the SP-3300. That's the first coat of the lime green candy. I think this is going to come out pretty good. I'm going to at least stab 2 more coats onto this, and then I'll turn you back on. Okay, I got 3 coats of candy on these parts. And I'm going to shoot down 2 nice wet coats of MS Clear. Yeah, here we go. 2 nice full wet coats of clear. Looks real sharp. I got these ones sitting over here. I think the green candy's just a little dark on the top of that, but that come off just fucking awesome. Can't do that with a rattled can, Richard. Okay, so next morning, we got these out sitting in the sun, and they look awesome. Okay, got the motor in the booth. All pieces I don't want painted, all taped up, ready to spray epoxy primer. Okay, I'm going to do the same to this as I did the tank and the starter and that lower cowl piece. Got my epoxy on, so it'll be 2 coats of silver base, 3 coats of candy, and 2 wet coats of clear. So I'll turn you back on when I get to the end. Okay, it's been a couple hours since I got the clear on. Looks pretty good. Hopefully everything all matches up. I'm gonna be starting the final assembly in a couple days after this gets good and hard.